Right, ahead of me I've got a crossroad. I'm going to go left. My minimum observation that I need to do is right, ahead, left, ahead, right. That's even if we think there's nothing coming, you must get that check in. Now when I'm going left, I have to give way to cars coming from the right, that's obvious. But I'm checking the left to make sure there's no hazards or obstructions, no traffic lights, nobody crossing the road, no roadworks, parked vehicles, accidents, etc. And oncoming vehicles as well. Now if I'm going left and there's a car coming from ahead that wants to go in the same direction as me, I have got right of way. But if that car is nudging forward and is trying to go in front of us, and if it's got the gap, you've got to let that car go through. So you're showing them that you've identified a danger, a hazard, and you're going to let that one go through. Yep. You can spot them straight away because they're not paying attention to you. They're just trying to nudge forward, they're in a rush. Let them go, let them be somebody else's problem. Right, so let's go. We're going to go left at the crossroads. So I'm doing my 360 check, indicate, final check, good to go. Off we go. There's a little entrance on my left, so I'm going to pass this entrance first, get a little bit closer, and then I'm going to mirror signal left. I've got restricted view because of the properties on the right, so as I approach, I'm putting first. I'm going to follow this bend as much as I can. I'm looking right, ahead, left, ahead, right, and I'm just scanning. There's a car in front of me that wants to go left, but they're waiting patiently by the giveaway line. The van to my right is now restricting my view. I've got a gap, the car in front's not moving, it's safe for me, so off I go, check my mirrors and carry on. Right, at the crossroads, I'm going to go straight ahead. So let's have a look at some road markings ahead. So it's telling me to use the left lane to go straight ahead. I'm in the lane, keep my tyres and tarmac behind this car and just wait patiently. A lot of traffic on this road at the moment. Again, on your test, if you've got to wait, you've got to wait. As long as you're not hesitating, meaning there's an obvious gap and you're not taking it, that's hesitating. But if it's busy, you just wait. Don't think the examiner's wondering why you're not going. You go if it's safe. Right, got another car moving forward. I'm looking, I'm checking. I've got some vehicles coming from my right. My left side is clear. There's 3 cars on my right. Nothing coming from ahead. As you can see, I'm still looking and scanning, and off I go when it's safe. Check my mirrors once I've gone through, and that's it. Right, the crossroad, I'm going to go right. So on approach, mirror signal right. Got restricted view from my left side, so I'm going to stop at the giveaway line. There's a car coming from ahead. I've got traffic coming from my left. I've got some sirens in the distance as well. Something going on around here today. There comes another one. Right, I'm still scanning. Just going to be patient. There's a bus coming from ahead. I've got one car on my left. I've got another car on my right. Have I got a gap? What's this bus driver going to do? Right, the bus driver wants to go first, so I don't have an objection with that. Let them go. Right now he's blocked, but there's a van coming from the left now, so I'm not going to risk it. As long as you can justify why you're waiting, there isn't a problem with that. Right, the car in right's indicating right. Nothing coming from that side. I'm still scanning. Off we go. Check my mirrors.